Let's unpack why delaying tough workplace decisions costs you dearly. The article's core thesis? Hesitation, not ignorance, creates your absolute biggest labor law headaches.
It usually builds through a super familiar, dangerous pattern. Delay, drift, and then escalation.
By the time you finally act, emotions are totally entrenched. And honestly, your legal risk has already crystallized.
South African labor law heavily penalizes employers who fail to act fairly, consistently, and crucially, on time.
Delay totally wrecks this. It weakens your evidence, creates weird inconsistencies, and distorts the actual problem. Think about it. Memories fade, paperwork gets patchy, and suddenly you've got damaging contradictions at arbitration. That reduced credibility creates doubt. And in legal disputes, doubt is almost always resolved in the employee's favor.
If you tolerate bad behavior for months, the fatal question at the CCMA becomes, well, why now? Case law backs this up. Tolerating misconduct actually weakens your position and can waive your right to discipline.
Delay also blurs the legal lines, making it super hard to tell poor performance from intentional misconduct. When you wait, you misclassify the problem. That's a massive reason dismissals fail at the CCMA. But beyond legal risks, there's a huge hidden business cost here, the total erosion of your company culture.
When your inaction is visible, standards drop. High performers just tune out, and your leadership credibility absolutely tanks.
Avoiding tough calls sends a terrible message to your team. Hey, we don't act when it matters.
Unresolved issues don't magically fix themselves. They fester, divide teams, and just compound over time.
So, the best organizations, they don't hide. They proactively equip their line managers to act early.
They use clear policies, practical training, and build real confidence for handling those tricky conversations head-on.
Good leaders differentiate clearly. They separate misconduct from incapacity and once-off slip-ups from repeated bad behavior.
Before delaying, ask yourself, what's the real issue? Conduct or capability? And what does fairness actually require?
Ask if your decision would survive CCMA scrutiny. Is it factual? Is it consistent?
Ultimately, labor law isn't just a roadblock. It's structurally fair and absolutely allows for decisive action.
But the catch? Any action you take has got to be fair, consistent, and above all, timely.
The real risk isn't making a tough call. It's waiting until it's too late to make it right.
I'll leave you with this. What's the one unaddressed issue in your organization that needs intervention right now?